In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use any payment provider with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll be able to accept payments from your preferred provider and connect that checkout experience directly to your GoHighLevel pages in a clean, reliable way. First, head to the official GoHighLevel website and sign into your account. Using a desktop browser makes this smoother, and if you're watching in a browser, you can find the official link right at the top of the description. Once you're in your dashboard, you're ready to decide how you want to integrate payments. There are 3 common approaches. If you're using a native option like Stripe or PayPal, you can connect those directly. If you prefer automations, you can route payments through third-party tools such as Zapier or Make to update your pipelines, tax, or fulfillment workflows. And if you want the simplest, most universal method that works with almost any provider, use payment links. That's the method I'll walk you through now. Log into your payment provider account. This could be Stripe, PayPal, or another platform you trust. In your provider's dashboard, create a payment link or a hosted checkout page. As you set it up, make sure your product name, price, and currency are correct. If you're selling subscriptions, choose the recurring interval. For one-time payments, set a single price. Many providers also let you set success and cancel URLs, add taxes, and require customer details like email during checkout. Configure those to match your business needs. Once your link or checkout page is created, copy the full payment URL. Keep it handy. We'll paste it into your GoHighLevel page in a moment. Back in GoHighLevel, go to Sites, then choose Funnels or Websites, and open the page you want to use. Launch the page builder so you can edit the layout. Add a button or another clickable element where you want visitors to start the checkout. Label it clearly. Something like Buy Now or Secure Checkout tends to convert well. Select the button's action and set it to open a URL. Paste your payment link into that field. If available, consider opening it in a new tab for a smoother user experience and double check that the link is accurate and uses HTTPS. When you're satisfied, click Save and then Publish. Take a quick moment to preview the page and click the button yourself to confirm it directs to the correct checkout page and displays properly on desktop and mobile. That's it. You've connected any payment provider to GoHighLevel using a simple, universal payment link. Thanks for watching.